Your Toyota's automatic transaxle is a highly complex mechanism designed to exacting specifications to operate seamlessly with your vehicle's other powertrain components. If your automatic transaxle needs replacing, your service advisor might present you with the option of replacing it with a remanufactured transaxle instead of purchasing a new part. Using a remanufactured part in place of new parts offers you significant cost savings without a loss of performance. You get additional peace of mind from the 24 months or 40,000 kilometers warranty when installed at your Toyota dealership. If you are considering a remanufactured transaxle, it's very important to understand that there's a world of difference between rebuilt and a remanufactured transaxle. A remanufactured transaxle can only be sold to our customers if it's been remanufactured at an approved Toyota facility, adhering to our strict specifications and using only Toyota-approved original replacement parts. When it is removed, the Toyota dealership ships the automatic transaxle core to the approved remanufacturing facility, where it begins its journey to be remanufactured. Advanced technology and quality control checks at every step helps to ensure everything is done to meet Toyota's specifications. After disassembly, degreasing, and cleaning, operators inspect the various parts using sophisticated test equipment. In the valve body clean room, operators carefully test and inspect the solenoids and valve bodies. The valve bodies are hooked up to a test machine that runs hydraulic fluids through the valve to simulate real-world operating conditions. During reassembly, any genuine Toyota OEM replacement parts that are needed are fed to the production lines through a handling system controlled by a powerful inventory management software system. When the assemblies are almost complete, it's time for more testing to ensure that every component of the remanufactured transaxle operates exactly to Toyota's strict specifications when it is replaced on a customer's vehicle. Once all final tests and inspections are passed, the transaxles are put back in their reusable plastic cases and are entered into the warehouse, awaiting an order from a customer like you. When you are making a decision to replace your vehicle's automatic transaxle, you can have the utmost confidence that it was remanufactured to meet Toyota's demanding requirements and with careful attention to detail and quality. Thanks for taking an inside look at your Toyota.